Too far for you to see the fluke and foot rot and the fat maggot gnawing the skin from the small bones. The sheep were grazing at Bulk of Edwin, arranged romantically in the usual manner on a bleak background of bald stone. Too far for you to see the moss and the mould on the cold chimneys, the nettles growing through the cracked doors. The houses stand empty at Nanterera. There are holes in the roofs that are thatched with sunlight, and the fields are reverting to the bare moor. Too far to see the set of his eyes and the slow phthisis wasting his frame under the ripped coat. There's a man still farming at Twyn of Avnog, contributing grimly to the accepted pattern, the embryo music dead in his throat.